Good morning and welcome to today's English lesson number 17, and it's all about grammar. Today we're going to discuss these two phrases, there is and they are. There is and they are. So what does the rule says? The rule says that there are three categories. One positive, two negative, and three questions for singular and plural. So for positive, we say there is. Plural, we say there are. For negative, there isn't. And plural, there aren't. For questions, is there? And plural, are there. Did you get that? Okay, let's do the first exercise. So we have three words, aren't, is, and are, and we're going to try and fit them here. In the city of Shenzhen in China, there aren't, there is, or there are with a capital, a park called Window of the World. Is. Aren't there any fun activities, or are there any fun activities? Are. But there aren't any people living in the park. Okay, let's check. All correct answers. For our second activity, we have to complete the sentences in the positive, the negative, or in the question form. Use there is, there are, is there, there aren't, and are there. Okay, so you got positive, positive, negative, negative. So I want you to check for a pattern once we have completed these answers. The first one, there are 6 bridges in the city. What answer goes here? Something any good films on TV tonight? There aren't any good films on TV tonight. Something a museum in your town. Is there a museum? There's a question mark. A great cafe near here? There is. Any people in the park today? There aren't. And the last one, any nice shops in the street? Question. Are there any nice shops in the street? Let's check. All correct. Did you find a pattern? What's the pattern here? If you look at the words any, and any, in these sentences you have there and aren't, there and are, there and aren't. And if you look at and a, you've got is, you've got is, and you've got there. So those are the patterns. Okay, so when you see any, it's either they are or they aren't. When you see a, it's is, there, or there is. So let's go to the last exercise, and it says here, complete the sentences from the brochure on page 39 with some or any. Then complete the rule. Let's complete the rule first. The rule says we use some and any with plural nouns. We use something in positive sentences, and we use something in negative sentences and questions. So which one do we use in positive sentences? Is it some or any? It is some. We use some in positive sentences, and we use any in negative sentences. Okay, let's try and answer this. But there aren't any, some, or any. What did the rule say? Negative. Are there some or any fun activities? Positive. There are, oops, let's change this. There are some restaurants and cafes in the park. And are there any fun activities? Let's check. Okay. And last exercise is we're going to choose. Okay. There aren't some or any parks in my town. There aren't any parks in my town. Are there some or any good shops here? Are there any good shops here? There are some or any nice places to eat here. There are some nice places to eat here. Let's check. Okay, so we are done with the exercises. Let's get straight into your task for today. It's very simple. When you log on to classwork, you will find grammar. There is and there are. When you click on it, it will take you to this document. You will type your email address, your name and class, and you're going to make a sentence with there is. Make a sentence with there are, there isn't, there aren't, is there, and are there. Please type start with a capital letter and the rest small letters, one space between the words, and end with a full stop. When you are completed with the task, click submit and then I will receive it. Please be patient with the marks because I have lots of questions from 24 students to mark today. Okay, that's it. Until next time, stay safe.